Concurrency in JavaScript? Have you ever heard of it? Hi, let's talk today about functional JavaScript, grid CSS, and JS concurrency. I'm Nadel and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. Let's get started today with an article, The Rise and Fall and Rise of Functional Programming by Eric Elliott. JS functions can be as pure as you want them to be. In this article, you get acquainted with a brief history of functional programming and its implementation in JavaScript. Eric Meyer, in his turn, posted an article, namely Welcome to the Grid. Grids are not just tables with a new syntax. Using the composition examples such as covering, filters, blending, clipping, and masking, the author came to the conclusion that just one-way grids are different than tables. When you execute a Node.js process, it runs in a single thread. However, it is possible to take advantage of the multi-core power of modern machines. Ben Nadel shared with us his experience of concurrency in Node.js using the cluster module implementation. If you're interested in React Native, I strongly recommend you the article How I Built a Super Simple Game Using React Native by Matteo Mazzarolo. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to configure an application and to interact with events and animation. Code is available on GitHub. David Gilbertson shared the lessons learned about React, gathered by him over the last few years and shown as a number of patterns. As author mentioned, if today is your day one with React, you're in luck. Then Friedman announced the Polymer 2.0 release candidate. It is already available and ready for use. A key focus has been on improved interoperability with other libraries and frameworks. Craig Butler analyzed Ashley Nolan's front-end tooling survey and published his findings in Front-end Tooling Trends for 2017. Here, you can find the best development tools, CSS naming, JavaScript libraries and frameworks, etc. Another interesting article is Introduction to Web Audio API by Greg Hovanesyan on CSS Tricks. This post does a good job of starting with the basics and showing off some demos. Create sounds right in the browser with the Web Audio API. For the past few weeks, there has been lots of talk about HTML headings. The discussion is still ongoing. Emilia Bellamy-Royds posted a comprehensive article about the nature of HTML documents outlines. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. This is all for this week. Thanks for watching and stay curious.